Welcome to FactFolio, your destination for fascinating discoveries and thought-provoking insights from the worlds of science, nature, and beyond. Here, curiosity leads the way as we unravel mysteries, explore groundbreaking research, and share stories that inspire wonder and understanding. Whether you're a lifelong learner or simply love uncovering new facts, FactFolio is here to spark your imagination and expand your horizons. Join us as we journey into the unknown and reveal the wonders that shape our world. Beneath the quiet green canopy of forests, across sunlit meadows, and even within the potted plants that line our windowsills, a secret world is in constant motion, a world where plants are anything but silent. For centuries, we have viewed plants as passive, mute, and largely unaware of the world around them. But recent scientific discoveries are shattering these assumptions, revealing a vibrant, bustling network of communication and intelligence. Plants are not only alive, they are actively engaged in conversations, strategizing defenses, solving problems, and adapting to their ever-changing environments in ways that are both subtle and astonishing. At the heart of this hidden world lies a complex language, one not spoken in words, but in chemicals, electrical impulses, and even sound. When a caterpillar begins to munch on the leaves of a willow tree, the plant responds immediately, releasing a suite of volatile organic compounds into the air. These invisible signals travel on the wind, carrying urgent messages to neighboring plants. Danger is near, prepare your defenses. In response, nearby willows may begin to ramp up their own chemical defenses, becoming less palatable to hungry herbivores. This is not a random act, but a coordinated warning system, a botanical early alert network that extends across species and even ecosystems. But plant communication is not limited to warnings. Flowers emit intricate bouquets of scent molecules to attract specific pollinators, guiding bees, butterflies, and birds to their blossoms with the promise of nectar. Some plants, like the tobacco plant, can alter the timing and composition of their scents depending on which pollinators are most active at different times of day or night. Others, such as the acacia tree, release chemicals that not only deter grazing animals, but also summon armies of protective ants to patrol their branches. These interactions are the result of millions of years of evolutionary fine-tuning, a testament to the sophistication of plant signaling. In the soil, an even more intricate network unfolds. Through their roots, plants connect to vast underground fungi known as mycorrhizal networks, or the wood wide web. These fungal threads link plants together, allowing them to share nutrients, water, and information. When one plant is attacked by pests or stressed by drought, it can send distress signals through these underground highways, prompting its neighbors to bolster their own defenses or share resources. In this way, forests and grasslands become communities, bound together by silent, unseen conversations. As scientists delve deeper into the world of plant communication, they are uncovering not only how plants talk, but how they think. Far from being passive bystanders, plants have evolved a dazzling array of strategies to defend themselves. From the constant threats posed by herbivores, insects, and disease. Beyond the obvious armor of thorns and tough leaves, many plants manufacture potent toxins and bitter compounds that make them unappetizing or even deadly to would-be attackers. Some, like the milkweed, produce a sticky latex that gums up the mouths of insects, while others, like the tomato, release chemicals that attract predatory insects to hunt down their pests. Perhaps most remarkable is the ability of some plants to call for help when under attack. When a corn plant is chewed by caterpillars, it emits a specific blend of volatiles that attract parasitic wasps. These wasps, in turn, lay their eggs inside the caterpillars, ultimately killing them and reducing the threat to the plant. This three-way interaction is a sophisticated form of biological pest control, orchestrated entirely by the plant's chemical signals. Modern research is now exploring how these natural defense mechanisms can be harnessed for sustainable agriculture, reducing our reliance on synthetic pesticides and fostering healthier, more resilient crops. But the wonders of plant intelligence do not end with defense. Plants are capable of learning from experience, adapting their behavior, and even solving problems. In experiments, pea plants have been shown to remember which direction a breeze comes from, associating it with the arrival of sunlight and adjusting their growth accordingly. Mimosa pudica, the sensitive plant, can learn to ignore harmless stimuli after repeated exposure, demonstrating a form of habituation, a basic type of learning once thought to be exclusive to animals. Plants can also make complex decisions based on environmental cues. When faced with limited sunlight, a seedling will stretch and bend toward the brightest source, optimizing its chances for survival. Roots navigate through soil, avoiding obstacles and seeking out pockets of water and nutrients. Some plants can even count the number of times they have been attacked, escalating their defenses with each successive assault. These abilities challenge our traditional notions of intelligence, suggesting that plants possess a form of awareness and agency all their own. This growing recognition of plant intelligence has given rise to a new scientific field, plant neurobiology. While plants lack brains and nervous systems in the animal sense, they possess intricate networks of electrical and chemical signaling that bear striking similarities to neural circuits. Action potentials, brief electrical impulses, travel through plant tissues, coordinating responses to light, touch, and injury. Calcium waves ripple through cells, transmitting information and triggering cascades of gene expression. Some researchers believe that understanding these networks could revolutionize agriculture, leading to crops that are not only more productive, but also more adaptable and resilient in the face of climate change. The implications of these discoveries are profound. By unlocking the secrets of plant communication and intelligence, we stand to gain new tools for sustainable farming, ecosystem restoration, and even medicine. Imagine crops that can warn each other of pest outbreaks, forests that share resources to survive drought, or medicinal plants that produce higher yields of valuable compounds, all guided by our deepening understanding of the plant mind. Yet, perhaps the greatest lesson lies in the perspective these revelations offer. Plants are the foundation of life on Earth, providing the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the medicines that heal us. They shape our landscapes, regulate our climate, and support countless forms of life. To see them as sentient, communicative beings is to recognize the profound interconnectedness of all living things, and to approach the natural world with greater humility and respect. As we continue to explore the secret world of plant communication, we are reminded that there is still so much to discover. The green tapestry that surrounds us is alive with stories, strategies, and silent conversations, an ongoing symphony of life that invites us to listen, learn, and marvel. By nurturing our curiosity and deepening our appreciation for the hidden wonders of plants, we can ensure a future where both humanity and the natural world thrive together, rooted in understanding and respect. As our understanding of plant intelligence continues to grow, we are reminded of the remarkable complexity and adaptability found in nature's green world. By shifting our perspective and embracing the sentient qualities of plants, we open new doors for innovation, sustainability, and respect for all living things. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. For more intriguing insights and discoveries, don't forget to subscribe to FactFolio, where curiosity meets knowledge every day.